Traveling soon? Here's the truth. Staying fit doesn't stop just because your gym's far away. You can stay active, strong, and energized anywhere. No trainer, no equipment. When you're traveling, routines get messy. Flights, long drives, new schedules. But skipping movement? That's when stiffness, low energy, and fatigue kick in. So here's how to stay fit while traveling, even without a gym nearby. Your body is the gym. Do 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 lunges. Repeat 3 rounds. It wakes up your muscles and boosts blood flow fast. Pack a mini resistance band. It weighs nothing but gives you a full body workout. Do rows, shoulder pulls, or glute kickbacks right in your room. Turn your sightseeing into cardio. Walk the city, take the stairs, skip the taxi when you can. Every step adds up. No time? Do short bursts. 20 squats before your shower, 15 push-ups before bed. Tiny workouts that stack up through the stay. Finish your day with a few stretches. A seated twist, shoulder rolls, or gentle forward fold keeps you flexible and pain-free. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even 10 minutes a day keeps your energy high and your body feeling great while traveling. So next trip, remember, your fitness doesn't need a location, just a little intention. Try these next time you travel. Your body will thank you. And if you want quick, no equipment routines like this, hit subscribe and check out the next video.